If you're someone who's looking to learn more about watercolor pencils and crayons, then this video is for you. Also, I want to add really quick that if you're just somebody who's looking for a doodle that's a cactus, you can check out my other video. It's a lot simpler and easier than this one. This one is definitely more involved. But yeah, so I'm going to start off with some lighter green in the highlighted areas, because with the watercolors you definitely have to work light to dark, and then of course my deeper greens for the shadow areas. And after you get your layer of all your colors on there and cover up the white of the paper, then you can go ahead with a little bit of water and blend them on through. Because we're doing a cactus painting here and they are a bit rough, I am leaving some of the lines on purpose because I thought it would add us for some nice texture. And if you don't like that, you can just use more water to blend it out. Here I'm using a few colors for the flowers. So I have like a light pink, a dark pink, some yellow, a little bit of a lighter orange. That's going to go in the center, and there was a lot of yellow and orange mixed in with the pink on the actual flower too. So when you're layering the colors here, I'm going to add the yellow first and then the pink on top, and then the deeper pink is going to go around the middle, and then I used it as like a border so I can see in between the petals, especially when you're adding the water so it just doesn't turn into a big blob. And yeah, so I'm going to go around each one here, and then some of these are just little buds. I'm just going to fill in with the pink. When you're all done with your flowers and the cactus areas, I'm going to move down towards the bottom, and then I'm just using a light brown. It's a raw sienna, and then a little bit of a deeper brown for some other shadow areas. And then my pencil here, I would say it's comparable to a burnt umber. And then of course you can just do your little dots and then the little spikes that come out of the cactus.